Let's be honest, most people want to make money online without showing their face, without talking, and without grinding 10 hours a day. And in 2025, with the tools we have, that's actually possible. In this video, I'll show you the laziest way to make money with AI, even if you have zero experience. What makes this lazy? Now, when I say lazy, I don't mean no effort at all. I mean setting up a system where AI does 90% of the work, while you focus on choosing a smart topic and uploading. No camera, no microphone, no editing software, just a browser and some free tools. The Faceless AI method. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, use ChatGPT to write the script. You just give it a topic like how to make money online with no skills, and it'll write a video script in seconds. Step 2, use 11 Labs for the voiceover. Paste your script into 11 Labs and you'll get a realistic AI voice. No mic needed. Want to try it yourself? I've dropped my affiliate link below so you can test it out. Step 3, use Pictory or another AI video editor. Upload your voiceover and the software auto-generates a video with visuals and subtitles, all done in minutes. That's it. Script to voice to video. You could be posting faceless videos today, even from your phone. But does it actually work? Yes, but only if you're strategic. Most beginners fail because they make generic videos with no hook. If you want to go viral, you need to be specific and curious. Instead of how to make money online, try, I asked ChatGPT to make me $100 a day. This AI website pays before you're monetized. I built this YouTube channel with no voice, no camera. That's what works in 2025. AI plus curiosity equals clicks. So if you're looking for the laziest way to start a faceless income stream, this is it. You don't need fancy gear. You need a smart system. Like this video if you want more AI money tips. Comment below what tool you'll try first and subscribe if you're building a faceless YouTube channel in 2025. Let's build passive income the smart, lazy way.